Hi, my name's Grant Glading. Welcome to the video tutorial series delivered on the NetNow.co service. I'm a NetNow certified professional, and in this video series I'll go through a range of tutorials which will teach you how to use the NetNow dashboard services both efficiently and professionally. In this episode, Show Hide Button example, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard with show and hide buttons that show and hide a widget. Let's get started. In today's how-to session, we're going to look at how we can use these snippets under the support option of the NetNow website. These are code snippets. In this example, we'll see some CSS that we can insert into widgets in a dashboard, and we're going to use them to show and hide a widget, create some show hide buttons. As you can see, we've got the snippet code here that we're going to cut and paste into the widgets in the dashboard. So we're going to log in through the members option of the website into the NetNow service. You can see we're putting our username and password in, and this is using HTTPS, and we've connected through to the NetNow service. We're going to select the dashboards option and create a new dashboard. We're going to give the dashboard a show hide example title and create the dashboard. And as soon as we get into the dashboard, we've got a blank canvas. At the bottom left we can see the new widget button, and we're going to select the dynamic text box widget in this example, and you'll see that appear in the top left. And if we click on the wrench icon, we can edit the properties for this widget. And once they appear, we can scroll down and look at the chart template field. It's blank at the moment as a default, but we're going to go into the code snippet and copy the first section of CSS. We're going to copy that and paste it in to the widget chart template box, and then click on update, and we've got the first widget ready in our example. And then the next thing that we're going to do is, as you can see, we've got the button on the top left. We're going to reposition the widget to halfway down the screen, and the CSS has created that plus button. We're going to create another dynamic text box, and this will be for the CSS to create a minus button. So again, we're going to click on the wrench icon and scroll down in the properties for this dynamic text box. And we're going to stop at the chart template area and then go back to the snippet on the NetNow website and copy that second piece of CSS, and then paste that back in to the chart template box. And again, click update to make sure that we save those changes for the second widget. Okay, and we're going to position the minus box that we've got there now, created by the CSS, next to our plus box. And then finally, in this example, we're going to add a pie chart widget. And we'll reposition that on the screen. And then the next thing that we'll do is we'll actually look at the dashboard properties. And this is the dashboard properties for the dashboard overall, and we're focused on the CSS style sheet box for the dashboard. So we're going to copy this final piece of CSS from the snippets area and paste that to the bottom, to the end of the CSS style sheet box. And again, we're going to scroll down and click update for the properties of the overall dashboard, and it's loaded in that piece of CSS. And then finally, what we'll do now is we'll actually use the dashboard. This will be a working example that we've got here. We're going to click View Dashboard, And what we'll see now is the plus button, the minus button, and the pie chart. If we click on minus, the pie chart disappears, and then if we click on the plus button, it reappears. So we've actually set that to toggle on and off after the first click. So that was an example of how to do show hide, and we used some of the snippets in the support area of the NetNow website. Finally, in the blog area of the NetNow website, we've got some tutorials, and as you can see, we go through this whole scenario that we've run through in the video clip in tutorial form, and that links back to the snippets area. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Be sure to check out our tip content on the NetNow blog tutorial area. Thank you.